How to create a CV in Canva. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can create a CV in Canva. So let's just get started with the process and find out how to do that. So for that, if you're on your phone, you can go ahead and download the Canva application first, and after the installation is complete, you just need to open up the application into the device. Once it opens up, you'll be finding this interface on your screen with different options available. So from here you can go ahead and create up your own project. So all you need to do is go ahead and look for this option, the plus in the bottom in the middle. You can go ahead and tap on it. After that, you'll be getting this option. So under this, what would you like to create, you can go ahead and type in CV or resume. And when you go ahead and type in that, it will be giving different options. For example, resume of this landscape mode. So you can just go ahead and tap on it and it will lead you to another page. So wait for that page to be loaded completely first. Once you do that, you'll be finding a blank canvas here. Along with that, when you go ahead and click on it, you'll be given different templates, and all of them are something that is editable. So you can just go ahead and look out for the free templates, and those will let you create a CV on your own design, on your own preferences of your own information. All you need to do is just go ahead and click on the template that you like in order to create your own CV, and that is it. So that is how you create up a CV in Canva. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.